This is Bharat hitting BEC 2003 from A to Z. In this video, I am going to explain optimization of arithmetic logic unit using generic floating point representation for 12-bit architecture. This is flowchart of that one. Compare the exponents of two numbers. Shift the smaller number to right until its exponent would match the longer exponent. Add the significance. Normalize the sum, either shifting right or left, or incrementing the exponent or decrementing the exponent. Next, overflow or underflow. If it is done, then exception. If it is no, round the significant to the appropriate value. Like if it is 1.4 means 1.5 or 1.75 means 2, round the significant with appropriate number of bits. The next step, if it is still normalized, then go to third step and through the same process, follow the same process which we done earlier. Else go to the next next start. A is 0 tends to A, M is divisor, Q is dividend, N is count, number of count occurred. Shift left A with Q. A minus M tends to A. If A is less than 0, if it is yes, then Q tends to 0, A tends to A plus M. If it is no, then Q tends to 1. Count is equal to count minus 1. Count is equal to 0, then the process goes to n. If count is not 0, then the same process we do earlier, like shift left and then a check a less than or equal to 0 or greater than or equal to 0, like that. Next, add exponents, multiple fractions. F is equal to 0, S means set E is equal to minus 8. Then, if it is no, then F overflow and then normalize and set F value and E value and set left and then exponent overflow and set indicator. This is a result from Hammick paper. Like speed, area for add, subtractor, adder and multiplier. Speed and area slides result of purpose of order and subtractor multiplier through algorithm. Multiplier speed to 72, adder or subtractor speed to 88, which adder and subtractor speed is greater than that compared to multiplier. This is proposed architecture we discussed. Here sign, exponent, significant, these are all doing that arithmetic logic unit. Then exponent difference. ALU do the process of adding, subtracting and dividing, multiplication. And then exponent difference it's going to control is in 0 or 1, then increment or decrement, then shift left or right, like the rounding hardware. ALU. ALU is nothing but arithmetic logic unit. In computing, an arithmetic logic unit is a combinational digital circuit that has performs arithmetic and bitwise operations on integer and binary numbers. This is in contrast to a floating point unit (FPU), which operates on floating point numbers. It is in functional building blocks. blocks block of many types of computing circuits, including the central processing unit (CPU) of computers, FPU (floating point unit), and graphics processing units (GPU). The inputs to an ALU (arithmetic logic unit) are the data to be operated on, called operands, and the code indicating the operation to be performed in the ALU output is the result of the performed operations. In many designs, the ALU also has states of input or output, or both, which convey the information about the previous operations or the current operations respectively within the ALU and external status registers. This is the output which we taken for adder and subtractor. And next, this is for multiplier and divider output. To compare the proposed architecture with the existing architecture, the coverage of the study limited itself to design a development and evaluation of generic floating point algorithm. The benefits brought by the development of several modules will also be discussed. The study tackles also advantage and disadvantage of using proposed algorithm versus the other published works. The paper restricts the analysis of arithmetic logic unit of 12-bit architecture. Furthermore, the expectations of the square root and cube root is limited only one of the inputs. With that, a variety of algorithms were developed in past addressing the problem for maximum operating frequency and area reductions using various techniques. The design and development of the generic floating point algorithm uses a Xilinx ISE 13.1 and ISE test benchmark. The Xilinx ISE 13.1 tool is developing VHDL model program and generating RTL circuitry, which we see yearly. This is like a VHDL program output. The main objective of this research is divided into threefold. First, to design an optimized arithmetic logic unit for 12-bit architecture using VHDL. Second, to develop a VHDL model for enhanced optimization of the arithmetic logic unit and simulate the Xilinx ISE test bench. And third is to evaluate by measuring the speed and area. Test bench is used to measure the period, and we differentiate from the diagram itself using test bench. Furthermore, the study specifically compares its result to the existing algorithms in the field of integrated circuit and microelectronics. Next, list of advantage of the proposed system. The adder, subtractor and the multiplier module shows the functional simulations that accept the given input and yield desired output with the given clock cycles. The first output for these modules has yield after 22 clock cycles. On other hand, a divisor or square root or cube root and modules yield the output on 21 clock cycle itself. It takes for basic ALU algorithm basic ALU program take more time, 22 clock cycles, but the divisor, square root, cube root for the complex it takes 21 clock cycles. All of the following models is implemented on Xilinx FPGA vertices with a speed grade. The result is shown below that the implementation of proposed generic floating point algorithm have yielded better speeds and area with previous study. What's overflow? Overflow is said to be occur when the true result of an arithmetic operation is finite but larger than the magnitude. Then the largest floating point number which can be stored using the given precisions. Like if we say it in binary, the if we add two numbers like 1010 and 1011, the excess we add excess carry from it, take that carry is like overflow. The carry is overflow. Underflow, what is meant by underflow is said to be occur when the true result of an arithmetic operation is similar magnitude and the smallest normalized floating point number which can be stored. Overflow can't be ignored in calculations, whereas underflow can effectively be replaced by zero. Because underflow means we not consider that the invalid operation exception occurs when the operation cannot be performed on operands. Example, subtractions, infinity and non-inputs. The above exceptions are avoided and solved in this architecture. Exponent overflow. A positive exponent exceeds maximum possible exponent value in some systems. This may be designed as or exponent underflow. A negative exponent is less than the minimum possible exponent value. Next, merits and demerits of the proposed existing techniques or hardware. The division by zero exception occurs when the divisor is zero, the result is said to be infinity. The overflow exceptions occurs when the result has an exponent of zero in ff or if any input operator is infinity. The underflow exception occurs if the implicit bit of result is 0 or if exponent out is 126 or minus 126 or 0 into 0 1, the number is too small to be represented fully in single precision format. The invalid operations exceptions occurs when the operation can be performed on the operands. Example, subtraction of infinity and non-inputs. NaN inputs. This study will be significant endeavor and contribution in solving problems in their relation to increasing the need for high-speed floating point arithmetic units. The study will also be beneficial to integrated circuit industry in terms that will solve various problems involving the optimization each VHDL module units in order to achieve the high maximum operating frequencies for each unit. Applications which contains which all are the applications that contains all of the special numbers as well as other special numbers are subnormal numbers represented through the use of special bit pattern in the exponent field. The functional timing analysis result and the synthesis result are measured in the precise and accurate manner. The closeness of floating point representation to the actual value is called accuracy. As the result between hardware and software are matching, this will clear the gap between hardware implementation and software simulations. Also, it clears the visualization of concept incorporated. There is no significant difference between the proposed arithmetic logic unit generic algorithm for 12-bit architecture with other published arithmetic logic unit algorithms when it comes to FPGA implementation. Then next, there is no significant difference between proposed arithmetic logic generic algorithm for 12-bit architecture with other published arithmetic logic unit when it comes to different IESE versions. There is no significant difference between proposed ALU and other published arithmetic logic unit algorithms when it comes to VHDL module configuration. This is multiplier divider circuit explanation. This is square root or cube root. Enter the number first. If n greater than 0, then it's going to next for I equal to 1 to n. divide by I, find the answer. If answer equal to answer greater or equal to n, then going to next step. The next step it will be incremented. The iteration value is incremented in next step. Like I equal to I plus 1, and then we get the output and print the answer, and then going to exit. Then it is not exist, then going to next step as follow the same rules which we done earlier. If n naught is less than 0, then the process automatically go to exist. This is the flowchart explanation of square root and cube root. The next is nothing. Then finally conclusion. There is significant difference between proposed arithmetic logic unit algorithms for 12-bit architecture with other published arithmetic logic unit. When it comes to FPGA implementation, there is no significant difference between proposed arithmetic logic unit generic algorithms for 12-bit architecture with other published algorithms. When it comes to difference in ISE versions, there is significant difference between the proposed ALU generic algorithms for 12-bit architecture with other published arithmetic logic unit algorithms when it comes to PHDL. All other models, if it is a difference between come to other published arithmetic logic unit based on their speed and area. These all are the reference which we taken